Hello candidates. This video is on GI tag and also books and authors. This GI tag details are required because many times in the examinations they ask, and apart from this books and authors questions are also asked, but then you have to update them periodically. Here I'm giving you latest GI tags. The first one is given as Sirsi Supari. Sirsi Supari, Supari is that betel nut, or in Tamil it is called as same Paku. Therefore, that Karnataka has got the GI tag, and Erode turmeric. Turmeric is known as Erode turmeric. Turmeric that is grown in that place is Erode. Erode is a place in Tamil Nadu, about 350 kilometers or so from Chennai, roughly that distance. Next one is about jaggery, and jaggery we all know it is taken from sugar cane, and it's sweet, and sometimes it is substitute for our sugar also. So, and for this Marayur jaggery, this has been given to Kerala. Marayur jaggery, name of the jaggery is Marayur jaggery. The next one is Dindigul lock. Dindigul lock, for locks, the famous place in Tamil Nadu is Dindigul. Just as I think in North India, Aligarh is a famous place for locks. Here in Tamil Nadu, this Dindigul lock that has got a GI tag, followed by Kandangi sarees that are grown in that particular areas. Then Taula Puan and Mizo Puan Chai. This GI tag has been given to Mizoram. I don't know what type of product is that. Then Tirur betel leaf grown in that place, Tirur, that is in Kerala. So this GI tag has been given to Kerala. And Panchamridam of Palani Murugan Temple. Palani Murugan Temple is a famous temple near Madurai in Tamil Nadu. That is the temple on the hills where Lord Kartikeya, or in Tamil he is called as Murugan, is being worshipped. And the Panchamridam that is made in that temple, it is made of, say, fruits, banana, then apple, mango, so many things they will add along with honey. And the taste of that is something very peculiar. It has earned world reputation, and so they have taken a GI tag for Panchamridam of Palani Murugan Temple, Tamil Nadu. And the next one is also sweet. What is that? Rasgulla. Yeah, Rasgulla. I used to taste it when I was in West Bengal, Kolkata. The famous shop in that place used to be K.C. Das. Now many shops would have come. But I thought Kolkata or West Bengal will get GI tag, but this GI tag has gone to Odisha. Odisha has got the GI tag for Rasgulla. Next one is Kolhapuri Chapal. Chapels made in Kolhapuri, and GI tag it is given as Maharashtra and Karnataka. But I think Kolhapuri is in Maharashtra. Then Kandamal Haldi. There is a place in Odisha known as Kandamal, it seems, and Haldi made, that is turmeric made in that place, has also got a GI tag. The next one is again a sweet, Sri Villibuttur Palgova. That it is made of milk. In Tamil, it is called as Palgova. It's very tasty, and the sweet that's made in that place is known as Sri Villibuttur Palgova, and it's not very costly. It used to be very good, and yeah, that place, it has got a reputation, so that GI tag has been given to Sri Villibuttur of Tamil Nadu. Sri Villibuttur is a place where you have Andal temple, a famous temple, Andal temple. The reason why it is famous is that the see the tower, temple tower picture that is there in government of Tamil Nadu, say stamps, is the photo of this Andal temple only. There is Sri Villibuttur temple. That way it is very famous. It is nearer to Kalasalingam University. In fact, whenever we used to go to Kalasalingam University, I used to go by auto. We can go by auto as a group of 3 or 4 people. It's a nice place. Next is, that's not sweet. This is tea. What is that? Darjeeling green tea. And this tag has been given to West Bengal. Darjeeling is in West Bengal. Hill station. Gamosa Chokua rice of Assam. A special quality of rice in Assam. Sohrai and Kobar art, that is Jharkhand. This art form, the GI tag has gone to Jharkhand. Then Kola chili. Kola chili. Chili we know, yeah, chili. And for that, of course, chili famous place in Tamil, South India is Andhra Pradesh and all, but this one is from Goa. Then Chakhao black rice. This again black rice. For this, the GI tag has been given to Manipur, followed by Gorakhpur terracotta. Terracotta. What is terracotta? How to explain your terracotta? Terracotta. 1 minute. Let me check up. How can we? I know I'm able to understand, but not able to explain it. Terracotta. Terracotta is a type of fired clay, typically of a brownish red color and unglazed. It won't be very shining. Used as an ornamental building material and in modeling. Okay, so that is why it is um, Gorakhpur terracotta. It is given to Uttar Pradesh. The next one is also sweet, Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai. There is groundnut sweets made in Kovilpatti that is very famous, and it's given to Tamil Nadu. Kashmir saffron. Saffron in Tamil it is called as what? Yeah, saffron. It's very famous, it is normally given for pregnant women so that the child born is fair. Kungumappu, Kashmir saffron, for that the famous place, it has been given to Jammu and Kashmir. Then Tanjavur Neti and Arambavur wood carving, possibly that this one, that dancing idols and all, dolls and all, and also wood carving that has been given to Tanjavur, that is Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is a famous place for rice cultivation and granary of South India. So Tanjavur, Neti and Arambavur wood carving. Next one, Sorai Kovar painting. This painting, for this the famous, it is associated with the Jharkhand, Jharkhand state that has come out of Bihar. Next one, Tella Rumal. A Rumal, that Tella Rumal, Rumal means I think it must be an handkerchief. For that, Telangana has got the GI tag, followed by Sachi Lichi and Zardalu Mango. For these two items, Bihar has got the GI tag. Bihar has got GI tag for this Shagi Lichi and Zardalu Mango, Bihar. So, yeah. Now let us see some of the books and authors, because they do ask questions on books and authors. The name of the book is The Room Where It Happened, a White House Memoir. The Room Where It Happened, a White House Memoir And here the author is John Bolton. Next book is Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of Proud People. The author is Girish Kubar. Professor B.B. Lal, India Rediscovered, e-book written by Praglad Singh Patel, Union Culture Minister released it. Written by Professor B.B. Lal, India Rediscovered. It's an e-book released by Praglad Singh Patel, Union Culture Minister. COVID Katha, a multimedia guide for mass awareness, written by Dr. Harsh Vardhan, our Union Minister. They have written book on this COVID also, that is coronavirus. Yeah, interesting. Continuing with books and authors, Vijayant at Kargil, The Life of a Kargil War Hero, written by Colonel V.N. Thapar and Nega Dwivedi. Finding Freedom, Harry and Meghan, and the Making of a Modern Royal Family, author Omid Scorby and Caroline Durand. Next one is Fear of God, the title, Bomma Devara Sai Chandravadan or Vadan, Chandravadan. Then Wuhan Diary. I think this must be due to the corona. Dispatches, Wuhan Diary, dispatches from a quarantined city. Author is Fang Fang. Hop on my adventures on boats, trains, and planes. This has been written by the author's name is Ruskin Bond. Yeah, these are some of the titles I came across recently. That's why I shared with you. And if in case I come across some more items, I will share them with you. And my email ID is samba.s7@gmail.com. And I'm giving you my Telegram ID also. So in case you want to become a member of that, you will be able to get updates through that also. Thank you.